National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Bergen County in New Jersey, northeastern Bergen County in eastern Pennsylvania, Leavenworth County in eastern Pennsylvania, Collin County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, and Illinois. A severe thunderstorm was located near Snyder's, or near Tamaqua, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Additional thunderstorms and clusters are moving across the Warren area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts ahead. Warning are indicated. Impact, damage to roofs. Hazards include Allentown, Easton, Lehighton, Bethlehem, Fort, Kennewick, Northampton, Wilson, Allentown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Allentown, and Argyle. Weatherly, report. Mile markers 50 and 89. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 44 and 76. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 299 and near mile marker 305. Interstate 300. Mile marker 0 and 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the dash. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties. New Jersey and the following counties in Pennsylvania. Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Bergen County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m. Upper radar and automated wind meters indicating thunderstorms producing heavy 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain. 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flooding of small creeks and streams, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hanford, Wilmington, Robertsonia, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville. And Centerport. This includes 934. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast.